Hi guys, Linnea here. I wanted to show you the prize for the drawing on Saturday. This is for my 500. Thank you for getting me there. I'm so grateful. This drawing will be held at noon on Saturday Pacific Standard Time. I hope you win. I hope you win. This is for US only, and there will be a separate drawing for those outside the US. There will be 3 names drawn for separate 10 card readings. And those will be over video chat, email, Instagram, Messenger, whatever works for you guys. And there will be 3 names drawn for that outside the US. But this prize is for US only. The drawing will again be held on Saturday. This mask is a one-of-a-kind handmade mask. It is a beautiful piece of art. I hope you love it as much as I love it. I'm jealous of whoever's going to win it. Please leave your interest in being entered in the drawing in the comment section below. That's how you enter the drawing, in the comment section below if you're interested. I hope to hear from you all very, very soon. Please remember you are divine and sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you with all of my heart and being. I hope to talk to you really soon, and I hope you love this prize as much as I do. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wait till you see it in person. Okay, talk to you all soon.